Hey guys, so today we will be presenting about the issues on endangered species towards the natural world. As we all know, endangered species is a species which has been categorized as likely to be extinct. For our discussion, we chose two species of flora and fauna which are the orangutan, Malayan tapir and Rafflesia. All of these species can be found in our wonderful homeland Malaysia. So do you guys know why the orangutans are classified as endangered species? They are rapidly disappearing, putting the future of Asia's only great ape in peril. Therefore, they are classified on the International Union for Conservation of Nature IUCN Red List as an endangered species. One of the biggest reasons why the orangutans are endangered is because of habitat loss, because forests have been cleared throughout their range and the land used for agriculture. The second factor of it being endangered is illegal pet trade. When infants are targeted, usually the mother is killed, so this trade represents a real threat to wild orangutan populations. Besides that, villagers kill orangutans for bushmeat and traditional medicines. Everyone knows this cute, strange-looking animal. It looks like a combination of a pig and elephant. Do you know that they are closely related to horses and rhinos than pigs or elephants? Did you know that there are 4 species of tapir in the world? 3 of them live in South and Central America. The 4th species is the Malayan species, the only one in Asia living deep in the rainforest. Just like the orangutans, there is hunting pressure on tapirs throughout their range. There is also habitat fragmentation resulting in reduced genetic diversity and home range. Besides that, the encroachment into protected park areas by subsistence farmers and illegal logging are factors of why Malayan tapirs are endangered.
Hello, good evening. Today I'm Miss Dini. We'll be conducting the news report for Malayan tapirs. Okay, the population of the Malayan tapir in its entire range has decreased drastically in recent years due to habitat destruction. In Thailand, only about 200 tapirs are left. Tapirs are no longer found in northern Sumatra. Historical documents show tapir to exist in Borneo, but the species has died out there. Very sad. Tapirs are also victims of roadkills, knocked down by cars when they attempt to cross roads that bisect their forested homes. After a highway was built through the forest at Bukit Cerakan near Shah Alam in Selangor, at least 7 tapirs were knocked down by motorists, according to the Malaysian Nature Society.
The Rafflesia is a parasitic plant with a flash-like bloom the size of an armchair and a stench that's unmissable if you're even remotely close. The smell is so dreadful, and this is why it is known as the corpse flower. One of the reasons to why this unique species of flora is endangered is due to land clearing. The Rafflesia flower is endangered because of the loss of habitat as human population clears rainforests. Commercial logging, both legal and illegal, destroys the lianas on which the parasitic Rafflesias survive. Among some particular factors that are putting the species in danger, one of the threats for Rafflesia are the illegal collectors, as the plant is widely used as a traditional remedy in Southeast Asia. They usually sell for a hefty price. The male plants of Rafflesia are more widespread than the females, this huge disproportion being also a disadvantage for the species dissemination. Sadly, very little has been done to conserve this wild species. Part of the problem lies in the fact that up until today, no one has successfully managed to grow the Rafflesia by artificial methods. This means that the only way to safeguard this exceptional and attractive flower is to preserve its habitat. For threatened plant species like the Rafflesia, the only practical solution appears to be conservation of land where Rafflesia colonies thrive. Director Lynch once said, "We all have a responsibility to protect endangered species both for their sake and for the sake of our own future generation." Extinction is a process that has been occurring since long before the existence of man. The loss of a single species may result in a few environmental repercussions, however, all life on Earth is interconnected. Therefore, we should all be concerned of everything around us, flora and fauna. When a species is lost, the benefits it might have provided are gone forever.